The climate in Meridian presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities for homeowners, particularly when it comes to window performance. From hot summers and chilly winters to occasional heavy storms, the weather in this region requires windows that are not only durable but also energy efficient and weather resistant. Here's how Meridian's weather impacts window performance and what homeowners can do to ensure their windows meet these demands. Extreme temperature fluctuations. Meridian experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, from scorching summer heat to freezing winter cold. These temperature extremes can affect the materials and performance of your windows. Thermal expansion and contraction. Frequent temperature changes can cause window frames to expand and contract, potentially leading to gaps, cracks, or warping. Over time, this can compromise insulation and increase energy loss. Solution: opt for windows made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which are designed to resist warping and maintain their structural integrity in extreme temperatures. Energy efficiency demands. With hot summers requiring constant air conditioning and cold winters demanding effective heating, energy efficiency is crucial for Meridian homeowners. Heat gain in summer. Windows with poor insulation can allow excessive heat to enter your home, driving up cooling costs. Heat loss in winter. Similarly, poorly insulated windows can let warm air escape, leading to higher heating bills. Solution: invest in energy-efficient windows with features like double or triple glazing, low E-glass coatings, and gas-filled panes to reduce heat transfer and improve overall insulation. Sun exposure and UV rays. Meridian's abundant sunshine can have both benefits and drawbacks for homeowners. While natural light brightens your home, prolonged sun exposure can damage interiors and impact window performance. UV damage. UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, and window treatments to fade over time. Material degradation. Continuous exposure to sunlight can weaken certain window frame materials, leading to discoloration or warping. Solution: choose windows with UV blocking coatings or films that protect your interiors while maintaining natural light. Frames made from UV-resistant materials like fiberglass or vinyl are also ideal for Meridian's sunny climate. Storm and wind resistance. Meridian's weather occasionally brings strong winds and heavy storms, which can put your windows to the test. Impact damage. Flying debris during storms can crack or break poorly made windows. Water intrusion. Heavy rain can lead to leaks and water damage if windows are not properly sealed. Solution: consider impact-resistant glass and windows with reinforced frames. Ensure professional installation with proper sealing techniques to prevent water intrusion. Condensation and moisture control. During colder months, condensation can form on windows, leading to issues like mold growth or frame deterioration if not addressed. Condensation on glass. This occurs when warm, moist indoor air meets the cold surface of a window. Frame damage. Excessive moisture can cause wood frames to rot or metal frames to rust. Solution: energy-efficient windows with insulated glass units, EGUS, reduce the likelihood of condensation. Proper ventilation and the use of dehumidifiers can also help. Long-term durability. The combination of temperature fluctuations, UV exposure, and moisture can take a toll on window materials over time. Material degradation. Inferior materials may crack, fade, or warp under Meridian's weather conditions. Reduced performance. Worn-out windows often have compromised seals, leading to drafts and energy inefficiency. Solution. Invest in high-quality, weather-resistant windows with warranties that guarantee long-term performance in Meridian's climate. Noise reduction. While not directly related to weather, noise from outdoor wind or storms can be amplified by poorly insulated windows. Solution. Double or triple pane windows with soundproofing properties can create a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment, regardless of weather conditions. Conclusion. Meridian's weather has a direct impact on the performance and longevity of your windows. Extreme temperatures, UV exposure, storms, and moisture all present unique challenges that require tailored solutions. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient, and weather-resistant windows, you can enhance your home's comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect your investment. If you're considering upgrading your windows to better withstand Meridian's climate, consult with a trusted local provider. Professional installation and expert advice will ensure that your windows are equipped to handle the elements while improving your home's overall efficiency and value.